It's May 17th, 2018, and I'm out on Brownlee Reservoir, going after the panfish here, bonanza that I've heard so much about. And right here is Casey, my fishing partner. He's getting ready to head on down to where the big catfish are. He's going to go a lot faster than I am, I can guarantee you that. In my pontoon boat, I fished my way along and was able to catch a crappie and a few bass. Some say Brownlee Reservoir has the best warm water fishing in the West. In it one can find largemouth bass, smallmouth bass, black crappie, white crappie, and at least 6 different types of catfish. When I met up with Casey, he already had a nice fish on.
I'm getting hit on this other rod too.
Now this is what you like to see. In Oregon we get to fish with 2 rods if you pay the extra money, and looks like our man's got himself a hell of a nice fish here with a little tiny rod. And he was having another hookup back there on the trailer. Whoa, look at him taking off.
Just might. Ooh.
That can't be 4 or 5, 6 pound test, is it?
It's 8. This is 8.
Well, it's 8 pound test, but they could easily break that rod. You just might be thinking maybe you'd like to be fishing with a salmon rod right now. Yeah, this is Mr. Casey Broyles out here on Brownlee Reservoir.
Oh, I see him. Oh. Did see him. Come on. I've seen this one. He's close. I'm gonna net him. Got him. Let's see what's on. Hang on, let's see what's on this one. Oh, looks like a good crappie. Sweet. Crappie and a catfish.
Well, that's a nice big fat one. Is that what they call a blue cat? Or is that a channel? I'm not really sure.
I have no idea.
They also have flathead in here. Look at that dog, baby. Nice. After watching Casey fight that fish, I decided to make some gear changes. I'd come a long way to get into some catfish here, so why mess around with crappie? Well, I got 4 pound test on here. So we're certainly not gonna horse this dude. This doggone thing's at 2 feet of water or less. You know, I'm gonna have to turn around here, chase him a little. It's kind of a behind the back technique here. This old boy's got some heft to him. Can't really get him up off the bottom very easily. There he is. Big catfish. This is probably the critical point in the fight right here. Make sure the drag's loose. Get his head coming up. We got a little surf now, a little bit of swell. There he is. Doesn't like it up on top. He's a bottom dweller. That's where he wants to go. Well, if I get him coming this way, I might be able to slide him in there. There we go. Oh yeah, baby. This is a big catfish here. Look at that dog. Look at that dog right there, baby. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, in he goes. I'll see him again some other time.
Oh, that's gross, John.
That's a Bill dance.
That is huge.
That's a nice fish.
Brownlee Reservoir Fishing Camp 2018. Yeah, baby.